No one gives a fuck about you. No one gives a fuck about me. No one gives a fuck about the guy who killed himself. Sorry to say that, but it's the unfortunate reality of the world. And so today's video is about 3 things that you need to do, not you have to do, that you need to do for Men's Mental Health Awareness Month. And this month is dedicated to you becoming the best version of yourself. Let it be the first step to the next 100 steps that are about to come. So here are the 3 things that you must do as a man to not fucking yap about it on the fucking internet, to set an example, to become a role model instead of just talking about it, using the hashtags, which absolutely makes no fucking sense. You don't have to yap about it. You have to show the people that you are a man, you go through daily struggles, you're depressed, you are stressed, you're mentally fucked, you can't sleep at night. These are the everyday struggles of us men. How do we show to the world that we are strong? By becoming physically powerful, fit, strong, by becoming financially stable, by fostering the relationships, being emotionally available for our parents, for our siblings, for our friends, for literally everybody. 3 non-negotiables to say go fuck yourself to the mental health crisis. So let's just say go fuck, well, isn't that fucking creative? Yourself. Okay? To the mental health crisis. Number 1, for the next 30 days, because it's something that's talked about for only fucking 30 days, as if 108 men stop killing themselves after these 30 days. Okay? We have to decide. We have to come up with a plan to reduce that number even to 106. That's -2 people, men dying every single day. Number 1, for the next, and you can't actually do that. You can't change the world, but if you change yourself, over time we can create a big ripple effect that we are going to change how men view themselves and probably fuck the crisis up. Number 1 is that you have to stop jerking off, okay? As men, we do not have control over anything in our lives, to the point that we don't even have control to get the girl that we fucking like. As compared to the girl who likes a guy, she can easily go up to him in most case scenarios and get the guy because it's easier for them. We as men don't have control over anything, so why not have control over your dick? That's the only thing that we have, and that's the only thing we can control, that most 99% of the men can't even control. If you take control of this, you start to have a sense of authority, of some sort of control in your life. And when you start taking control of your dick, you start to realize, okay, now I have a lot of energy. Now I have these positive thoughts, this positive energy. And because energy cannot be destroyed, it can only be converted, you convert that sexual energy into something positive. Sexual energy is one of the most powerful forces in this entire universe. You convert that into productivity. Okay? You convert that into productivity. That's number 1. For the next 30 days, to honor the 106 or 108, per day, men who kill themselves every single day, we have to honor them. We have to pay respect. We have to pay our respect to them. That's number 1. For the next 30 days, you do not fucking jerk off. Number 2, you go to the gym, no days off. You go to the gym with no rest days off. Okay? Gym. Okay? I've trained 7 days a week for months and months on end. I've slept 4 hours a day while training 7 days a week. It doesn't hurt you. As long as you're young, as long as you're energetic, as long as your testosterone is high, which I'm assuming probably for most of you is not high because your sleep is shit, like mine, but it's still high because I work out, I accomplish things in my daily life. I sign clients here, I make money here, I spend time with family, I go out in nature. These are the little things that give a boost to your testosterone. Every time you fucking win, your testosterone spikes. It's not only going to the gym, it's not only fucking injecting TR fucking Ts. No days off, 7 days a week for the next 30 days. This isn't to build a physique, even though it might build a physique for you, great. But this is to build that mental strength, to build discipline and commitment. That even if your body hurts, you have to keep fucking going. Imagine if you're somewhere in a ditch in Iran, in Ukraine, and it's been 14 days you're at war, and you have to constantly run and fight. Do you think you will give up? It's better to not give up than to die, okay? So no days off, non-negotiable. Number 3 is new marker. Number 3 is to pick a skill. Pick a skill. I'll tell you, shame as a man is one of the worst things you can ever fucking experience. Worst thing you can fucking experience as a man is shame. And shame comes from not being financially able to support your family, to take your loved ones out on a fucking nice dinner. That's a shame as a man. Might not be as a woman, but for that, you have to be capable of developing a sort of skill set that is going to pay you money. If for the next 30 days, if you're only you don't have to focus on this, stop touching your dick, and you have to spend an hour to 2 hour a day on the gym, the rest, and you're sleeping, let's say even 6-7 hours a day, the rest, let's say 12 hours, let's say 14 hours, you spend on one skill, acquiring one skill, copywriting, marketing, media buyer, creative strategist, creative director, whatever that is. You spend 12 hours a day learning one fucking skill for the next 30 days. I promise you, you will become very close to being an expert. And then you just have to monetize that skill. If you want to monetize the skill that you currently have or that you're trying to learn, DM me the word on Instagram. It's called Top Elite Shit, at Top Elite Shit. DM me the word skill and I'll show you how to monetize. I have a couple of free resources I can send you away. So pick a skill. Stay away from the shame. Build a future. You have to start making money. It's time that you have to stop relying on your job because AI is going to probably fucking take it. Either you utilize it, build a skill set, start selling it to people. You don't have to. I'm not saying you don't have to make $5, $10, $15, $20,000 a month, which is 100% possible. What I'm saying is you can start making $1,000 a month. That is going to help you invest in better courses, in better mentorships. That is going to help you take your family out for a fucking dinner every single month because that increases your respect. They start looking up to you. They start seeing you very differently. And all these little things boost up your testosterone and make you feel confident and better as a man. And guess what? All these 3 steps lead you to not committing fucking suicide. One day at a time, boys. We have to bring this number down. Stop yapping. Stop talking. Stop using the hashtags. Hashtags have never ever changed. You think using hashtags is going to make someone not kill themselves? Do this. Become a role model. Even for one person, you can save one life.